In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Google Drive account. If you've never used Google Drive before, don't worry, this process is quick, simple, and by the end of the video, you'll have your own account ready for storing files, sharing documents, and accessing everything from any device. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Drive and press enter. You'll see several results appear, but go ahead and click the link that says drive.google.com. This will take you straight to the Google Drive homepage where you can explore everything the platform has to offer. But for now, our goal is to set up your new account. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Use another account. You may not expect to see this, especially if you haven't created a Google account before, but this is simply the doorway to creating a brand new one. Click on it so you can start fresh with your own account. You'll now be taken to the sign-in page. Instead of signing in, click the link that says Create Account. When a small menu appears, choose for my personal use. Selecting this option lets Google know you're setting up a standard personal account rather than one for business or work. Next, you'll land on a page asking for your first and last name. Type in your information exactly as you would like it to appear on your Google account. Once you're done, click Next to move forward. The following screen will ask for your birthday and gender. This information helps Google set up and secure your account properly. Enter your birthday, choose your gender, and click Next again. With each step, you're getting closer to having your new Drive account ready. Now, it's time to choose your Gmail address. This email will become the primary way people can contact you through all Google services, including Google Drive. You'll see a few suggestions that Google generates for you, or you can create a custom email address of your own. Pick something that's easy to remember and feels right for you. Once you've selected your new Gmail address, click Next. And just like that, you've created your Google account, which means your Google Drive account is now active as well. You can immediately begin exploring all the powerful tools Google Drive offers. From uploading important documents to organizing your files into folders, sharing projects with friends or coworkers, and even collaborating in real time, I hope this walkthrough made the process simple and stress-free. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment so I can help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.